I've had a few ladies ask if I could do a video tutorial on my Galaxy nails. This is the warm color. Okay, so very important to have 4 brushes so you don't contaminate your colors. And here we go. Just watch how I hold the swatch at different angles, as well as how I tap the brush. Different angles, turning it and holding the brushes at different heights. Okay, so first color is Cosmic Collision. Kind of hold it down like you're doing an ombre at the top, and then kind of make it random. It's kind of hard to explain in a video, but you'll see the different ways I'm holding the swatch stick. And then here we go with Supernova Glow. And I don't want to tap off any powder yet, because I want it to kind of cover up certain areas. And it may not look like it, but there are some areas that don't have color on it just yet, so I feel like this looks really close to that dark sky with the stars in it. Editing Sarah here. I meant the night sky. Sorry. We're getting somewhere. Wipe off this excess. And then we do it again. And I've seen tapping on powder, it actually goes on a lot thinner, so you can do this 3 times if you need to. So here we go again. Now I'm gonna hold it at a different angle, because I want the purple to show up a little bit more. You can kind of see where it's, you can kind of see where it's saturating. I can. That's all there. It's not too much to it. Don't be afraid to add a good amount of space dust, because the colors you put underneath prior are going to keep that space dust for getting on there, and you're essentially just filling the cracks with space dust. See, that already looks pretty much closer. So now with this was space dust. Now with this is the Galactic Topper. So I wanted to do something that looked like bright stars or planets on this dark purple. So when I first put it on, I only put the liquid on the purple, and it kind of loops around. And then just to make it look flowy, I kind of have it loop around to the top. Okay. And then with my brush, I pinch it like so that I just get these little strips. Dip it right in there, and I put it right on there. Right on there, going all around just where I put that liquid. Duh, it's only going to stick where I put the liquid. And then don't forget the top. So you can put it exactly where you want it, and it's like a thin little strip going up. Okay. And then always press down. I normally use like a little baggie, but I'm just trying to do a swatch, so I'm not going to use a baggie to pat down so it doesn't get all over your fingers. Okay, now I'm not going to brush off any excess, because I want to leave as many of these flakies on as I can. So let me grab some more. And then I'm going to do it one more time. I'm covering the entire nail now, but you can kind of see the flakies are more concentrated just on the purple and go all the way up. Then I'm going to go ahead and pinch and do it again. Also want to add, this works because the Galaxy Topper is a clear base. Obviously if it was a colored base, it'd be a little bit harder to just press that brush onto the swatch. And then cover it again to press those flakies down. Okay, so just remember this is the cold color, so this is the warm color. So we're going to let that base dry, and then I'm going to use Solidify, number 3. Just want to add, if this was my nails, I would do a dip of clear over before I use Solidify. And also with these steps you could do all the colors like 3 times to get it as thick or as thin as you want. And then here it's going to let you see the chemical reaction. When you normally put on the activator, it makes it the warm color.
Baby, Michael,
it's warming up a little bit.
wearing some diapers and a pull-up. I'm cool. He's not even cool anymore.
And there we go. There it is. There's that warm color. Now with these, you can obviously use Glossy Coat number 4, or I actually did, or you can use Matte Topcoat, which I really want to try. I just got it. But what I did was I did the Topcoat, and then I just buffed off the shine. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was easy to follow. Thank you, ladies.